Hello everyone, today we will be doing the poem I Believe by Brucelis K. Sangma. So all of us have our dreams, our fantasies, right? Some of us want to go skydiving, some of us want to go sea diving, some of us want to climb rocks, or maybe even just simply learn a language. So all these are our fantasies, our dreams, things that we want to do for personal advancement, right? So this author, she has penned down a beautiful fantasy poem with a lot of hidden meaning in it. So let us first read the poem and then we'll proceed to its explanation. I believe if a pebble is thrown upwards, I can pierce the heavens and see the angels at play. I believe I can soar to the heights, touch the silky clouds and feel the stars. I believe I can dive right into the depths and swim with the sharks. I believe I can claw into the earth's belly, pick up the priceless gems, and adorn myself with them. I believe I can do many things. Amidst the human angels, surrounded by the world's treasures. But I firmly believe I have to complete the role assigned to me here, where I dream and breathe. So this is the beautiful poem written by Brucelis K. Sangma, and let's go on understanding it stanza wise. So the first stanza, I believe if a pebble is thrown upwards, I can pierce the heavens and see the angels at play. In this stanza, basically the poet wants to say that if she throws a pebble upwards, we know that in a general scenario, the pebble would come down because of gravity. But what she says is that it will go right up and pierce the heavens. And above the heavens, above the clouds, she would see the angels at play. The meaning here is that when a man wants to achieve extraordinary goals, he has to do extraordinary effort. Here the angels are people who have done that effort, who are there because of their dedication and their resolute. Next we have, I believe I can soar to the heights, touch the silky clouds and feel the stars. Here firstly, the heights are basically the mountains that humans have to conquer to achieve something great. Here she reiterates the feeling that you will get when you touch the silky clouds, when you go to that height, the feeling that you'll get inside of you. It would be unimaginable, it would be that good. And feel the stars, again the very same meaning. It is something that is out of our bounds, out of our reach. So to get there, we need that motivation, that dedication in us. Next we have, I believe I can dive right into the depths and swim with the sharks. So you see, here in the paragraph right before this one, she said she was talking about heights and now she is going to the depths. So she is using opposites to show the potential of humans, to show the potential of human mind. So she says that she can dive underneath, and sharks are here metaphorized as challenges of human life. So she says that she would love to dive into the sea of life and see all the experiences of life and overcome the challenges and live with them. Next we have, I believe I can claw into the earth's belly, pick up the priceless gems and adorn myself with them. Here she says something as destructive as clawing into the earth's belly can be actually used in a constructive and beneficial manner for the mankind. If we see literally, she means that she would go mine the earth, claw into its belly, and over there she would find diamonds and rubies and all these gems, and like any little girl, she would love to adorn herself with them. She would love to dress up and get all pretty, because these are little things that girls like, right? So, but metaphorically if we see, it says in a manner that we can mine the earth and it can be used for the benefit of mankind while we stay in harmony with the nature. And these priceless gems are the things that after the great effort that we have put in, the things that we will be achieving. Next is, I believe I can do many things amidst the human angels, surrounded by the world's treasures. So again, she has a lot of confidence in herself. She has a lot of faith in herself. She knows her potential, and she also realizes the potential of each and every human soul. So when she says amidst the human angels, she actually means all the human beings around her, all the people around her. Basically, she is considering each one of them to have unlimited potential. And she is also acknowledging the goodness in each one of us. Surrounded by world's treasures, again, all the beauty in the world. But I firmly believe I have to complete the role assigned to me here, where I dream and breathe. So basically, in the last stanza, the poet wishes to tell you that, okay, all these are my fantasies and I will achieve them someday. They will lead on to my personal advancement, right? But there is a duty that I have before that. I have been sent to my country, I have been sent to my family, my social sphere for a reason. And I have a duty towards them. Because they are the people, these are the things that make me who I am. So first I will fulfill my responsibility, and then only I will move on to achieve my fantasies, to achieve my goals. So this was the description for I Believe.